Children, practice set 42, sum number 3. Practice set 42, sum number 3 we are on. They say the radius of a circular garden is 56 meters. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meters. Okay. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? Okay. So let's do, the radius of a circular garden is given. What would it cost to put a 4-round fence around this garden at a rate of 40? Okay. Now understand this. I'll just draw a rough figure of a circle. This is circular garden and the radius is 56 meter. Okay, this is 56 meter. Now they want to put fence around this circular garden. When they want to put fence around this circular garden, that is fence you will not put in the area between, right? You will put only at the borders, and when you talk about the border of anything, that is circumference. When you talk about border of anything, that is circumference. So when they want to put fence to this circle, then we need to find out the circumference of the circle. They have given radius is 56 meters. So let us find first the circumference. First let's write what is there with us. Solution. We have radius of the circular garden R is equal to 56 meter. The radius of the circular garden R 56 meter, and circumference of the circular garden, circumference of the circular garden. Circumference of the circular garden formula will be 2 pi r. Here I already wrote circumference, so I am writing it down. Circumference of the circular garden 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 56. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 52 is the same. 2 pi r is the formula. So 2 continued down. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 and r is given 56. So I wrote 56 here. Now 7 ones are 7 8s are 2 2s are 40, 2 22s are 44. 44 into 8 multiply in the rough work, you will get 352 meters. So your answer is circumference is 352 meters. Don't forget to write the units. Here meter is given in radius, so we continue with meter. Now this is about circumference, but what we need to know, the fence, that if we have 4 round of fence, then how much fence would be needed, what would be the cost of the fence at 40 rupees per meter. So now this is, we have found the circumference. Circumference means 1 round we have found. 1 round of the circle we have found. Okay, but we need to know about the 4 rounds. So let's just write length of the wire required to put 1 round fence. Length of the wire required to put 1 round fence is equal to circumference. Length of the wire required to put 1 round fence is equal to circumference. Okay, this is what I explained you, that length of the wire required to put 1 round is your circumference. So 352 is your length of the wire. Now like this we require 4 rounds. So length of the wire required to put 4 round fence. Length of the wire required to put 4 rounds of fence. Length of the wire required to put 4 rounds of fence. that is 4 into circumference. 4 into circumference. This 4 into circumference is 352. So 4 into 352, when you multiply, you get 1408 meters. 352 multiplied by 4 will get 1048 meters. Now, so one round of fence is circumference. Length of the wire required to 4 rounds. So 4 rounds multiplied by circumference will give you 4 into 352. That is 1408 meters. Now, we need to know the cost. Why it is 40 rupees per meter. So how much will be the cost for 1408 meters? Okay, so let's write cost of the wire per meter. Cost of the wire per meter is equal to rupees 40. Okay, so total cost is equal to length of wire required into cost of the wire. Total cost is equal to length of the wire multiplied by cost of the wire. Length of the wire is 1408. Cost of the wire is 40. 1408 into 40, multiply in the rough work. 1408 into 40, multiply and remove the answer. You will get rupees 56,320. So when you multiply this, you get rupees 56,320, the cost of the wire. So finally the answer is, the cost to put a 4-round fence around the garden is, the cost to put a 4-round fence around the garden is rupees 56,320. Is rupees 56,320. So this is the sum. First step, we found the circumference. Then circumference is equal to 1 round. So 4 rounds we found. And then after getting the 4 rounds, we found the cost of 4 rounds. That is 1408 multiplied by 40. Please do not just simply watch the video. Try and solve. First solve with me when I am solving. And then without looking, with proper understanding, try to solve. Okay. Now let's come to next sum. This is little tricky but a good sum. Fourth sum. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meters. How many rotation will the wheel complete at the cart as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? So diameter of wheel of the bullock cart. First, the wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of, so wheel of a bullock cart is round. If I talk, sorry, my round does not come proper, but understand it to be the round. Now, the diameter is 1.4. Okay. So when this it goes round and round, how many rotations will the wheel complete when it travels 1.1 kilometer? Now, to know that, first you should know the one rotation full, that how much it completes in one rotation. Then only you can calculate that in 1.1 kilometer how many rotations it can be, right? So let's take diameter of the wheel of the bullock cart. Solution. Diameter of the wheel of the bullock cart is D 1.4 meters. Similarly, circumference of the wheel of the bullock cart, circumference of the wheel of the bullock cart. Circumference of the wheel of the bullock cart C is equal to pi d. Circumference of the wheel of the bullock cart C is equal to pi d. Okay, so pi d is 22 upon 7 and d is 1.4. Now 1.4 we have to remove the decimal. So I multiply this by 10. So if I multiply on top, I have to multiply down also. Okay, so 22 upon 7, I multiplied by 10, decimal is removed, I got 14. But down the 10 remains like that only. Whenever you have to apply anything, whenever you have to remove decimal or apply anything, children, you cannot just multiply on the top. You have to multiply for both denominator and numerator together. So when I multiplied 1.4 by 10, the decimal point was removed and this 10 is remaining here like this only. So now I have, if I cancel, I get 7 ones are 7 twos are 22 twos are is 44 upon 10. So my answer is, because it is upon 10, so I get a decimal value 4.4 meters. 4.4 meters is the circumference of the wheel. Okay, now distance covered in one rotation distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel. Distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel. So number of rotations is equal to distance covered upon circumference. Distance covered upon circumference. Number of rotation is equal to distance covered upon circumference. Did you understand? Distance covered in one rotation is circumference of the wheel, that we found out. Now number of rotation is equal to distance covered upon circumference. Distance covered is how much? 1.1 meter. Kilometers, sorry. And this is 4.4 meters. Now what I do, I convert 1.1 into 1000 because 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, no? So 1.1 into 1000 upon 4.4 meters. Now when I calculate this, you can either calculate by 1.1 or 11. 1.1 ones are, 1.1 fours are. Okay, 2s are, 2 5s are 10, 0s are 0s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 1 5 0. I get 250 answer. Did you see how I calculated? 1.1 ones are, 1.1 fours are, 4.4 it is. So I got 4. Now this 4 and 1000 I divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0, 2 0s are 0. Then 2 was left out. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1 is left out, 10. So 2 5s are 10, 0. So I got 250. So my answer is, the wheel of the bullock cart will complete 250 rotations as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. This you understood what I took 1000. This is 1.1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is how much? 1000 meters. So I am converting meters to kilometer. Back to kilometers to meters. Okay. So I write my final answer. The wheel of the bullock cart will complete the wheel of the bullock cart will complete 250 rotations as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. The wheel of the bullock cart will complete 250 rotations as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. Okay, so this is your sum. What we did, first we took the diameter, found the circumference, then that one rotation is equal to the circumference of the circle. Then we calculated the number of rotation that wheel has to go round and round to reach 1.1 kilometer, and that is 250. Okay, if you have difficulty in understanding, please go through this video again and again, try solving, try understanding. Thank you.